So let's start by taking a trip into space.
You're late. Get in, come on, seats. Everyone, take your seats. Get your homework out. Science, discoveries, atoms, nuclei, caterpillars. This is what we're talking about today. Is that everyone? Is everyone here? So welcome to Dr. Uden, that's me, lecture series. Today we're talking about space, the outer kind. This is one of my newest inventions. It's my latest and greatest, and I call him BabyBot. I have samples of BabyBots on the tables around you. Pick them up, smell them, and tell me what they remind you of.
Lavender.
Lavender, yes, precisely. Anyone else?
Kananga.
Almost. BabyBot, what does it smell like? Do you want to tell them? Okay, thank you. Go ahead. Sandalwood. Chamomile. Chamomile. Does that remind anyone of anything else that we have? Ickle baby bath. Excellent. Great job. Ickle baby bath. One thing that you'll appreciate about baby bath, which you might not know, the amount of Z's and BabyBot baths. Clearly, this graph shows that Z's, or snoozing, increases for babies, in purple, when they take BabyBot baths, and then has a positive effect on parent sleep. So snoozing plus BabyBot baths equal happiness for a family. Okay, now everyone on 3, pick up a bot and put it in the water one at a time. We don't need multiples in the bowls. Pass it around. BabyBot and I traveled into space together. We made a new discovery. And we're willing to share that discovery with you today. If you can focus.
My mama told me I should never venture into space, but I did.